So guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to ask a simple question about what is going on between Doris Ogala, Pastor Jeremiah, Pastor Chris Okafor, in fact, so many names she mentioned. I just want to ask a question, guys. If you were Doris Ogala, would you handle this matter this way, the same way she handled it? If you were, even nobody is saying that she is right or wrong. Like I can't prove it now that she's right, and I can't prove it that she is wrong. But I want to ask a simple question. If you were Doris Ogala, would you handle this matter like this? If you were Doris Ogala, would you handle this matter like this? That is my question. Because it's not people talking cho. If you were her, are you going to handle this matter the way she handled it? It's true that, yes, it's true. It's good for someone to expose whatever that happened, right? But do it in the right way. Do it in the right way, in an appropriate way that, that will be good. She knew all these things. So she knew, you can see on comment section what people are saying. That so she knew all these things, but she kept quiet all along. She knew all these things. She kept quiet. She kept quiet all along. Okay, had that man married her, will she be saying what she's saying? If that man had married her now, Chris Okafor, had made her the mommy GO, right? Will she be saying all what she's saying? Maybe we will not even hear about it. You see, all this while people are saying, oh, nobody knows that, oh, yeah, she was dating this man. She kept it mute. She kept it silent. She hid it from the public. You see, she's an actress, right? Nollywood actress. For over how many years? She quoted that they dated for like 8 to 9, maybe 8 years or more. But nobody knows that such a thing existed in Nigeria. And now she's crying wolf. You see, all these things that she's saying now, what prevented her from saying it all along? She was trying to patch, manage, tell her it, panebit, tell her, and suture, everything, seal it, and enter as Mommy G.O. Fantastic. My dear, they say there is nothing hidden under the sun. Where they no go know. No way where rain go fall, where the ground no go know say rain fall. You see? And every day you can lie every day, but one day the truth will surface. She has been in it together with them. See, all those people talking, all of them are in it together. They are all in it together. If maybe all what she is saying, if they are true, I don't know if what she said, both or everything is true or not. I don't know, because you can't judge until they prove it right. She knows the right place for her to channel whatever she's saying. That's my own. She knows the channel where to channel her anger. She knows where to, go to and report. It's not coming online, giving bloggers food, giving bloggers food to eat. That is not the way to handle this kind of thing. She exactly knows what to do. She's not a baby. Look at how she's handling the matter as if she's a teenager. Even a teenager cannot handle this matter like this. Now they have arrested her. So all those people that were cheering her up, this and that, where are they now? Where are they? Okay, you want to marry somebody who is behaving like this. Assuming allegedly is what this man did, right? Now you want to marry a man like this, Doris Ogala. Hey, all of you are on it together. All of you are in it. You guys, all of you are in it together. That is my own take. All right? So you sort it out with them. But the way you are going, the way you are handling the matter, I don't know. That's why I asked that question, that if you were Doris Ogala, would you handle the matter like this? Or there is a different way you would have handled the matter? Okay, I rest my case. Share your thoughts on the comment section. We will still be bringing you guys updates on this matter. So my people, this Doris Ogala's matter, Saga now, is an eye-opener to other people. Okay? This is an eye-opener. If you have anything with anybody, you don't supposed to keep it for so long. She knew all these things. She kept quiet. That is what people are asking. Go to comment section. Go to comment section and see what people are saying there. she was saying, no, according to her, that they use her to lure somebody from Ghana. They use her to do this. They use her to do that. Why must you allow yourself to be used by somebody? Why? And you know the law. You know the law. You know that it's against the law. You know? If you know something, you did not say something, you are an accomplice. You know? Whatever they did to them, you too will share from it. All of you are in it together. All of you are in it together. Had it been that this man did not marry another girl, so you would keep these things with you and now become Mommy G.O. That is the question everybody is asking. So you in fact, you liked it. You like it before. You like all what they were doing before. The other pastor paid you 45 million. The other one bought you a Mercedes, bought you a car. You prefer the Mercedes Benz. You want Pastor Chris to buy you house. Who is he leaving you for? Like this. Who is leaving you for like this? He must buy you a house before you will keep quiet. If he buy you a house, he can go ahead and... So, which means you know what you are doing also. The monetary aspect of it, that is what attracted you there. You know? Which means you also have longer throat for money. That is why you don't mind anything, don't mind whatever. So how did you even know that there is something on his altar in the altar? There is something they put on in the buried in the altar. How did you even know that, Doris? How did you know that? How did you know that? Okay, that altar, has they not built the altar before this man know you? How did you manage to know that there's something in the altar? That's a question for you. Because anybody can plant anything in the altar. You could be anybody. I wish that man put a camera for them to know exactly who plotted whatever that is. Hence, they can use you to set people up. There's nothing you cannot do, Doris. There's nothing you cannot do. You can mastermind anything. You can equally set the man up and say, oh, if he didn't work out, then you set him up. Yeah, you can do it, allegedly. You can do it. You know? So nobody knows exact truth. So whatever that is there, the police, the DSS, Nigerian government, they should investigate it properly. All right? How did you come out and how would you be saying that somebody that fight your brother, you still crying for the person to marry you, to settle down with you? Which means you in fact, in fact, I don't know. I don't just know. I don't know. From all what you are saying, Doris, you sound as if everything you are also in it together with them. You know? He fired your brother and you still love him. Hey. You still want to settle with him. You still want him to marry you. If he didn't marry this lady and he had come for you, you would have accepted. After knowing fully well that this man, allegedly, according to you, by your beloved brother. You know, what kind of person are you portraying to be, Doris? What kind of person? I hope this video will get to you. What kind of human being are you portraying to be? You know, you think that if you come out and say, oh, this man cried your brother, that he can't prove juju, this and that, people will clap for you. So when you know that this man maybe directly or indirectly cried your brother, why did you keep quiet all this while? I beg, me una come out for road for me, Jare. Make I see road, Joe. Which kind of human being be this one?